My name is Tina. In today's video, I'll show you 3 quick and easy productive tips to help your child to succeed in online learning. During unsupervised lesson plans, encourage your child to use a timer to stay on track. Here are 2 websites with free timers. The first one is onlinestopwatch.com. This website has put together varieties of timers. There are classic classroom timers, cracking fun timer, and so on. This is the pirate race timer. Let's say we need 2 seconds on the clock. Click set and hit start. That's it. It's very easy to use. There are options to increase the size of the screen to full screen or super full screen. There are these other fun tabs as well. Next is creating a strong password. Dinopass.com is an awesome password generator for kids. This is a great time to teach your child to create strong passwords. It can create simple passwords which only have lowercase letters and numbers, easier for a child to remember. It can also generate strong password with a mix of upper and lowercase letters, special characters such as @, dollar, exclamation, etc. with some numbers. Next, let's create a raised hand sign. Virtual meetings and classes can get chaotic with everyone talking over each other. Create a simple raised hand sign for your child to use when he wants to be heard. Have your child outline his hand with pencil. Use a marker over it. Cut out and hot glue on a wooden stake. Voila! That's it. I hope you found value in these 3 productive tips. If you did, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy DIYs. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to watch my other online productive tip for virtual learning. You will be glad that you did.